Well, I knew I'd be coming to South Africa during the rainy season, so can't be surprised when it rains, right? I love the springtime. Flowers are blooming. Like you can see them on the ground back here. The weather's cool, not too hot yet. Only downside is the rain, but I'll get over that. So I'm headed to this grocery store and I'm walking around the neighborhood. I think it's Greenfield. And really don't feel like I'm in a different country other than the fact that everybody's driving on the other side of the road. But all signs are in English. These are the same types of cars that we have in the US or that I see in Europe.
The TMax travels, got the globe in his sight.
Okay, so I got the Hostel recommended I try this grocery store, Woolworths. He said it's a little bit pricier, but the food is better quality. So let's go in and check it out. So I'm definitely planning to do a wine tour when I get down to Cape Town, but I'm in a store here in Johannesburg and I'm gonna try some South African wine. But then having lived in Brazil for the last year and a half, I'm kind of partial to grabbing this, a sweet wine, right? But I don't think that's the norm here because most of the wines aren't sweet, so maybe I'll get a regular wine. Let's see what we can get for 100 Rand. Shall we get a Cabernet Sauvignon or a Shiraz? Leave a comment below, which one should I get? All right, so I spent almost 700 Rand. So here, at least at this store, you have to buy the bags. It was 8 Rand 50 cents, but yeah, I spent a lot of money. But we'll see how good the food is. I did buy some fresh food and the wine. So did you guess right? What comment did you write below? What kind of wine did I get? I'll show you when I crack it open. I'm actually surprised at how many marijuana places I see. I guess the whole world has marijuana now, except China. You're not gonna find it there. But the US is taking over. Brazil, you can definitely find it. I don't think you see stores though. But here, yeah, starting to see a lot of dispensaries just after being here one day. And also today, there's a rugby match, so everybody's got their jersey on. All the bars and cafes are full of people, dressed in the jersey and ready to support their team. That's something I'm definitely gonna do here too. I'm gonna go see a rugby game. You can smell the flowers. I made a video in Ghana a while back, and I was talking about how I look like the locals, but I don't sound like them. And so twice now people have greeted me on the street, and I don't know what they're saying. So I'm like, hey, what's up? And I think they're saying so, something like that. But I did see at the hostel, on the refrigerator, they had like some slang that people use. So I'm gonna check that, see if that's what they're saying. But yeah, if you haven't checked out the Ghana video, I'll leave a link in the description below. All right, so I'm here with a real South African, and he just explained to me what this greeting is. What was it, Marshall?
So it's called sure, like it means hello or yeah, say hey.
Okay, so when I'm walking down the street, I see somebody, just say show.
Yeah, you can say sure, aware, hey, wagwan, or like that.
Another reason why I love staying at hostels, apart from meeting just amazing people and getting to practice languages.
Yeah.
Sometimes you make friends who are chefs, and so I have this amazing dish here, and I have my buddy here, Christian.
Yes.
He's half French, half Gabonese, and he's gonna tell you what this dish is.
En fait, c'est un plat gabonais d'un riz épicé avec des carottes, des saucisses frites et des épices séchées. Ensuite, il y a la sauce tomate accompagnée de citron, carottes aussi râpées et le poisson braisé, façon gabonaise.
It smells so good.
Donc, c'est un plat rapide, gabonais et sûr d'être bon.
All right, so we're gonna try it. Let's see.
J'espère que tu vas aimer.
Okay, so this is fish. Oh, you have to watch out for the little bones. In French, they're called arêtes, which is the same word
Oui,
for stop.
les arêtes. Faites attention aux arêtes.
It's a great word, right? Just stop, don't eat them.
Prochainement, choisissez un meilleur poisson.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Thank you.
So good, guys. You here, you eat some too.
Et le riz, j'espère que le riz aussi est bon.
Avec le saucisse. Oh, wow.
C'est nouveau, hein?
It doesn't even need the sauce. Il n'y a pas besoin de la sauce.
N'est-ce pas? Mais teste quand même la sauce, c'est aussi bon. Différent le goût.
Ça, parce que c'est un peu, it's a little bit like ketchup. C'est un peu comme ketchup.
Oui, un peu comme le ketchup.
Ouais, c'est
Succulent avec du citron pour remonter
c'est
le
plus
sucré.
doux que je pensais. It's a little too sweet for me, but I like the rest of it. Merci
Mais
beaucoup.
au moins le riz il est déjà épicé, assez épicé si tu n'aimes pas la
c'est
sauce.
pour ça, c'est vrai.
Bon appétit.
Merci beaucoup. And so earlier we were at the store. Were you right? Did you pick the right wine? I ended up going with the Shiraz, 100 Rand. Christian here, he's gonna try it with me, and we're gonna see if we actually like it.
Il est bon.
I learned this in Tarija, Bolivia. That's how you stir wine. Ça sent bon?
Oui, ça sent très bon.
Ok.
C'est fort et il a l'air sucré. Il est bon.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's not as good as the wine I had in Chile, but it's pretty good. Alberto down there, he's from Chile. Another reason why I love staying in hostels. You meet people from all over. You want to say hi, Alberto?
¿Cómo están todos? Hola, hola, hola. My name is Luis Alberto. Everybody calls me Beto because I think it's shorter and easier. And well, I'm in South Africa because I wanted to learn English. So I'm from Chile, and in Chile nobody speaks English. So I decided to come here because I thought that it was the best way to get the language faster, just being surrounded by people who are native English speakers. I've been here in South Africa for almost 5 months. I have traveled around the country. I started in Cape Town for 2 months. Then I went to the Kruger National Park for 2 months as well. Then I went to Durban for 3 weeks, more or less. And now I'm here in Johannesburg. So far, my experience in South Africa, it's been amazing. Better than I was expecting. So just positive words, just good memories about this trip. I'm glad to share how has been my experience here in this country. Thank you everyone to support this channel, and viva España, viva Hispanoamérica. Abrazos.
Come to South Africa, hang out with us. Okay, so I've been in Johannesburg a little less than 48 hours. I've had quite the adventure so far. Just a few things I want to share with you before I let you go. First, when I first got here and I was going to catch my Uber from the airport, I was walking through the parking garage and this guy sees me. He has a reflective vest on, so I assume he works there. And I was like, hey, excuse me, do you know how to get to the Uber place? He's like, yeah. So he starts walking with me. I was like, oh, wow, this is great. You know, great customer service. He walks me all the way over there. He's like, so do you have something for me? And I was like, oh, and then I read his shirt. It was actually like some cleaning company, so it wasn't even, he didn't work for the airport. So be aware of that. Uber thing is on the second floor in the parking garage. You don't need anybody to walk you over there. And no, I didn't give him any money. Here in Johannesburg, I've been told, I haven't tried it yet, that Bolt is the better, cheaper option if you want to get around, especially short distances. And I remember using Bolt in a little bit in South America. So I've downloaded the apps and I will give it a try and let you know how that goes.
So I can confirm that Bolt is cheaper. Thank you. Hey, I'm good, and you?
Chasing sunsets past the TMax on the run. Every place beneath the sun. Culture calls and I reply. Living free until
Yeah, so that reminded me of the Bung Bung in China. And if you haven't seen the videos from me riding in the Bung Bung in China, I'll leave a link in the description below. And so in addition to driving on the left side of the road and the right side of the car, they are also on the metric system here, which is awesome. Good job. And so on that drive from the airport to my hostel, we were driving through the neighborhoods and we came through this one neighborhood and it really reminded me of nice neighborhoods in Brazil, because you just see these like 10, 20-foot walls with electric fences at the top, and there's a nice house behind it. And so most houses in nice neighborhoods are behind their own wall, not a gated community. Like everyone has their own individual wall and own security. I was like, wow, I feel like I'm back in Brazil. And so being here in the hostel, I was cooking something and I was like, hey, what do I do with my, my paper egg carton? And they're like, garbage. So I don't know if this is all of South Africa, but even walking the streets, I didn't see any recycle bins. And last thing, I remember when I went to Costa Rica with my buddy Andy, the thing that he was most bothered by on that trip, out of everything, was the fact that he had to throw the toilet paper in the basket instead of in the toilet. And here in South Africa, at least here in this hostel and the bathrooms I used when I'm out and about, they throw it in the toilet. So you flush your toilet paper here in South Africa. So that's been my journey so far. Let me know what you think. Write comments below. What would you like to see me do? Recommendations, because I also haven't planned everything I'm gonna do. So yeah, definitely let me know if you have recommendations. What should I do in South Africa? Planning to be here 3 months. Gonna see as much as I can. And I'm really looking forward to it. And I hope you enjoy the journey with me. See you in the next video.